Cottagecore has taken over Pinterest boards and YouTube home decor trends, but today's version is no longer just whimsical and rustic. It's refined, intentional, and elevated. This new cottagecore blends cozy countryside charm with modern sophistication, creating a high-end rustic aesthetic that feels both timeless and aspirational. For viewers searching for luxury cottage interiors or modern farmhouse decor ideas, this is where charm meets elegance. Unlike traditional cottagecore, which leans heavily on vintage clutter and maximalism, the elevated version focuses on curated simplicity. Think neutral color palettes, organic textures, and intentional styling. It's less about filling a space and more about telling a story through carefully chosen elements that evoke warmth without overwhelming the senses. A sophisticated rustic home starts with a grounded color palette. Replace overly busy floral patterns with soft beiges, warm whites, muted greens, and earthy browns. These tones are highly searched in modern farmhouse color schemes and help create a calming environment that feels polished rather than overly quaint. The secret to achieving an elevated cottagecore look lies in balance. Pair antique wooden furniture with sleek, modern lighting fixtures. Combine vintage decor finds with minimalist silhouettes. This contrast creates visual interest and aligns with trending searches like mixing old and new home decor. To elevate the rustic aesthetic, focus on quality over quantity. Incorporate materials like solid wood, linen, stone, and ceramic. These elements not only enhance durability but also add a tactile richness that viewers associate with luxury rustic interiors and organic modern design. While traditional cottagecore embraces abundance, the modern version leans toward intentional minimalism. Keep decor purposeful, each piece should add value or tell a story. This approach resonates with audiences searching for minimalist cozy home ideas and helps spaces feel airy yet inviting. Instead of many small decorations, invest in a few standout items. A handcrafted dining table, a vintage armoire, or a large textured rug can anchor the room. These statement pieces are key in high-end farmhouse decor and create a focal point that feels curated and meaningful. Texture is what brings the elevated cottagecore aesthetic to life. Layer chunky knit throws, linen curtains, woven baskets, and soft wool rugs. This combination adds depth without clutter, aligning with popular searches like how to make your home cozy and aesthetic. Nature remains at the heart of cottagecore, but in a more refined way. Use fresh greenery, olive branches, dried flowers, or simple floral arrangements instead of overly busy bouquets. This subtle connection to nature is a staple in biophilic design trends and enhances the calming atmosphere. Lighting can instantly elevate any space. Swap harsh overhead lights for warm-toned lamps, wall sconces, and candlelight. Loud lighting not only adds dimension but also creates that sought-after cozy luxury home vibe that performs well in YouTube content. Achieving this aesthetic doesn't require a massive budget. Thrift stores, flea markets, and DIY projects can help you recreate expensive-looking home decor. The key is choosing items that look timeless and well-crafted rather than trendy or mass-produced. The new cottagecore is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle that celebrates simplicity, beauty, and intentional living. By blending rustic elements with modern elegance, you can create a home that feels both cozy and luxurious. For viewers seeking home decor inspiration 2026, this elevated aesthetic offers the perfect balance of comfort and sophistication.